Crazy ass niggas sitting over there at the table looking at me staring. But you know I gotta go hard. This young crazy ass nigga from the block got the fucking knots. Run up in your fucking spot. Everything gotta go uno, nuno. Yeah, bitch, I get suo. Suo to them niggas at the top. You know I'm on top. Freestyling to get guap. I'm all about guap. Crazy nigga, I got a lot of niggas with me. And you know we blowing 50. Then we blow that loud. Then we blow that loud. Yo, I'm freestyling, I'm wildin', I'm drawing, these niggas calling, I'm fucking with bitches, cause I know I got them triggers. Crazy yes nigga, I'm flowing, hold up, cause my breath is going away. You might say it different, clowning these niggas is tripping, laughing, cause I be slipping on crazy yes niggas. Slow down, cause you be drawing these fucking bitches, you ballin' and you be calling these bitches back. Don't do that, you know that these bitches is lame. Fuck you niggas, stay in your lane. You know I don't fucking sing, you know me, I'm not the same. These niggas is fucking insane, you know me, I'm fucking sane. Out of this world, got a girl that's calling me, asking me, can I come with her? But I'm like, no, I got a girl, and she is better than you. You know I'm over you, up above. Got drugs, I roll them up and puff, puff. Pass your ass, I smoke that shit, you know I draw. Pussy ass nigga, I'm about to fall all over the world. You know me, I ain't no fucking pussy ass nigga. I got these fucking guns, you know I'm not a joke, I'm a pro. You niggas is hoes, better slow your roll or slow down. You know I got pounds, I'm about to blow down, and I'm about to blow up now. Yeah, hit up my bro Scub, like bring some more of that skunk, and we gon' think of this bitch up. Yeah, my words is slurred, but fuck it, I'm scared. Niggas know I'm never scared, but them niggas be scared. You know that's my word, I serve a nigga B2K. I got the chopper in the back to make your pussy ass slay. Lay down, stay down, I got niggas with me. And you know we off the top like, fuck it, the subject is what? Fuck it, nigga, I bust it. No, you can't trust me, but I don't trust them. Fuck it, I'm a gremlin, not a goblin. I be gunning, I be goblin. Fucking put the camera on me. You know, practice me perfect. I'm worth it. These freestyling niggas hoes. It's on motherfucking shit. It's about to get fucking sold. Yeah, hit me up. You know I got that shit. I let it fucking go if you got that fucking shit. I don't fucking speak in fucking codes. Nigga, you can't sell that my freestyle is cold. Nigga, know that I got hella smoke. That means I got hella weed, or whatever comes to your mind indeed. You know my niggas is about to fucking blow up. I do this for me and my niggas. You know I'm not a bitch, but got bitches, and I got triggers that'll turn you to dismisses.